Hey, what's going on, guys? I don't normally do unboxing videos, but you're probably not going to be very excited about this, but I am really excited about this.
So excited! So excited!
I've been waiting 2.5 years to get this birthday present that Gil Mama got me. So it's like my birthday today, even though it's not. Anyways, since we're all quarantined and all that mess, I figured I'd at least post something, and maybe you guys would be excited about it, like me. Just so you know, I don't get paid by this company and nothing like that. I'm just really excited about this product. I really hope it works like they say it works. Let's get into the unboxing and I'll show you what it is. Alright, I got my handy dandy Cuisinart knife. Again, I'm not affiliated with Cuisinart in any way. Let me keep this.
Just in case.
Just in case I need to send it back. So this product here was actually part of a.
Better turn it around so I can see what it is.
A Kickstarter. Ooh. Now I'm probably not gonna be very good at unboxing videos because I don't normally do them, but this is a SmartDuvet. Let's pull it out. That's why we are in my bedroom right now. So.
Oh, that didn't work out so well. It's just another box.
No, it's right here. There it is. Check it out. And that's the end of the video. No, I'm just kidding.
That's it, guys. Goodbye.
So, I don't know if any of you guys are going to be familiar with this product, but I am a very hot sleeper, and Gil Mama is
Oh my God, is that another box?
cold sleeper, and she likes a box inside of a box.
You gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me.
It's like Russian dolls. Okay. And Gil Mama is a very cold sleeper, so she likes to be very warm. I like to be very cool.
Ooh, it looks
Speaking
like an Xbox.
of cool, it does. It looks like some VR setup or something. Check it out. It's like a console. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful honeycomb sides. I like the design, the style, even though this is probably going to be under my bed. I'll probably never see it.
It does go under the bed.
It's supposed to have LED lights somewhere, but I guess we'll find out
The
when.
whole thing.
Oh, the whole
Lights
thing
up, yeah.
lights up somehow. Okay. So we got connections here, and got some packing material.
Ooh, foam.
And
Oh, there's the bedding.
that thing. Let's get rid of this thing. All right, so let me move this knife out of the way before I stab myself.
Don't throw knives in the house.
He's got a knife.
That's not a knife. That's a knife.
Anyway, so here's the actual duvet part, I'm guessing. Let's open up this box and see what's in this.
Da, 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 da.
We got a light so you guys can see a little better.
You are not doing well.
Hey, I never. Oh, oh, I guess I need my knife again. Hold on.
In the box.
Okay. This. Ooh. Got some instructions. Power cord.
Lots
Some
of hoses.
hosing. Lots of hosing.
So many hose.
Very fancy hose. Okay. Plastic things. I don't know. Oh, more hose. That's pretty. It's
God, that's a big hose.
This one is not naked. It's clothed. You can tell. Look, check that out. And that's really all there is to it. Wow. All right. So according to the instructions, we have to take this and lay it out onto the Gil bed. Installed correctly. Well, it's just laying on the bed right now, but basically you have to, there's like little tiny holes in here, and you have to make sure that this is face down. It's down, and then these metal clips here are going to attach to the duvet. So we're going to put the duvet insert, or the inside of the duvet, on top of this. All right, next step is you take the duvet insert, or duvet, this is technically a duvet, and then you stick it through these corners. They're like star-shaped deals. So you stick it in the corners and do that on all four corners, and then we can slip this inside the duvet cover.
Next part you're gonna do is you gotta go up under the fitted sheet with one of these little clippy doos while it's open, and you stick it up in there and twist it, and it just locks everything in place.
The metal rings. And that's to connect the, I guess, the over sheet, top sheet, whatever, to the thing.
Yeah.
All these corners done. Here we did just like it says, connected those little clip things to all the corners on the flat sheet, and then connected those to that. So now we connect these hoses to this. Hopefully this is right. I think that's it.
It's covered in a sheet.
And it's got a skirt on.
How pretty it is.
And then...
Under your bed.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, it doesn't fit.
No,
It makes no sense. It doesn't fit. If it doesn't fit, you must acquit.
no. Okay. I gotta undo this and then put it under and then, yeah.
Okay, we unhooked it and put the unit under the bed, which is down there.
Okay. I think we got it. Should have connected this hose before we put those clips on.
I already told you that. You didn't want to listen.
No, it didn't say that in the instructions.
Okay, guys. Well, just so you know, for future reference, when you're setting up your smart duvet,
Oh, I'm underneath the bed skirt.
do the clips after you hook your hose up.
Well, I'm not really sure if this is going to work because apparently we're supposed to have an app. The bed is hooked up, the lights are on, everything is hooked up. And let me just say, this thing was a pain in the ass to frickin' hook up. I had to cut a lot of the stuff out of this video. Me and Gil Baba were fighting the whole time, arguing back and forth on which way a clip goes, which way the duvet goes, how does the sheet hook up. So even though the video...
Look, he doesn't even notice. Look.
I do notice.
Look. It's working.
Ow! Anyways, this thing is, it's filling up apparently, so. What the hell is this thing doing?
Look, it's done, it's done.
Look, it inflated like a big giant air mattress on the top of our bed. Supposedly after a good night's sleep, I can just get out of bed and the app will make the bed for us. I'm not so sure how well this is gonna work, but let's give it a shot. So, I don't normally sleep with my shoes on, by the way. All right, so get out of bed, roll out, and then the bed's supposed to make itself. Come on, you can do it.
You can do it! You can do it all night long!
And you can automatically set this to go off at a certain time every day. So you don't have to like stand here and watch it and like tell it to do things. Oh my god, I love it.
Look at that.
Oh my god, look!
Wow, it's got wings. It's like our bed's gonna take off. Here, pull it up here.
Oh, that's amazing, look! Look!
It's kind of dark over there.
I love it. Look how big my bed looks. It looks like one of those 12 people beds.
Giant bed.
And I wonder if I can tell it to stop.
You know,
on the
it
app.
did make the, well, I mean, it looks like it's gonna make the bed though.
There is no option to tell it to stop.
That is
Only
actually pretty freaking
start.
cool.
Well, it's still going.
I think it stops once it reaches a certain pressure, I think.
Well, you'd think so. Oh, there it goes. It just stopped.
Oh, yeah.
It just stopped. And then it will do this every day for you. Oh, look. The bed is deflating. What are you doing?
I'm helping it deflate. Lay on the bed.
No, you just made the bed all lumpy.
Anyways, that
But look,
actually...
it made our
It
bed.
actually worked. Not get this, or she did not get this for my birthday 2.5 years ago, because we're lazy. We don't want to make her bed. This is just a feature that they include. That's kind of a novelty feature, but I will be using it for sure because it did make the bed. You can still see it's a little poofy, but it's slowly deflating.
It's deflating.
Yeah, slowly deflating.
Temperature control.
So Gil Mama got this for me mainly because I sleep very hot, like I said in the beginning, and she sleeps very cold. So I want to sleep nice and cool, and this has dual temperature climate controls. I'm gonna have to sleep in it to see how much I like it, but supposedly I can set it at a temperature on my side, and she can set her temperature on her side. So I guess we'll find out if it was worth 2.5 years of waiting, but I'm super excited. I can't wait to go to bed tonight. I'll check in with you after I've been to bed and let you know how we liked it.
The next morning.
Good morning, everyone. We slept with our brand new SmartDuvet last night, and I'm actually pretty impressed.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I stayed warm.
I slept pretty cool. I kept mine at like, I don't know, almost all the way cool, but not quite.
And the cats love it on my side. I think the only thing that I'm not overly happy with right now is it's a little noisy. Kind of sounds like paper or plastic, but...
Yeah, not the bed itself. Like the fan itself is really, really quiet. I can't even hear it going. Like I don't even know if it's on or not. That's how quiet. The bed making feature is a little loud, but usually you're not in there anyways. And like she said, the blankets, when you move them, they just don't sound like blankets. It's not real loud. It's just different, really. As far as that goes, I mean, if you get one of these, I would say don't expect to like have an air conditioner under the blankets because not that you're gonna want that anyways. If you want it colder, then you're basically going to have airflow in between the covers, so it keeps you nice and cool. And then I had it like all the way cold at first, and it was too cold, so I moved it up a little bit. You have yours what, like?
Most of the way warm, but not quite all the way.
Yeah, but the heating function works really, really well, and I slept really good. So I'm actually really happy with this.
This is the best day of my life!
Originally we paid, how much did we pay for it on the Kickstarter?
$240, I think.
Yeah, like $240 with shipping, but you gotta understand it was a Kickstarter, so we got it less expensive. And we have a California King. I think now they're like $380 plus shipping or somewhere around there. I might be wrong. But anyways, if you guys are interested in them, you can check them out. SmartDuvet, one word, you can Google it if you want. I recommend it, and I'm pretty happy with it. I can't wait to go to sleep again tonight.
Oh, the only other thing that I have to say is SmartDuvet, you need to work on your app. That app is not the greatest.
Yeah, that's another negative, is the app is kind of finicky, but it does work. Just sometimes it doesn't save your settings, I guess, right?
Yeah.
I'm pretty happy with it, and guess what, guys? Thrift stores just opened up, and we are gonna be going thrifting again here very soon, and I've been working on a drop shipping business, like I said in a few videos ago, so once I've tested that out and am successful, then I will be giving you guys updates on that and everything that I've learned. But I kind of want to master it first before I start making videos about that. Make sure you penetrate that like button and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video, and love you guys.